Welcome back to the Tony Experience. Today we're going out to the range. Got my son DJ with me, kind of stuff. We're going to hang out, but first we got to set up everything, you know, the tables and all that. So we get a few, you know, a little bit of us loading up a few things, kind of shit. A little bit, a few boom booms, and unfortunately the audio is going to be shit on this video. I do apologize. I can't find my microphones. I had them, now I don't have them. So I'll work on fixing that.
You need to have extra sets.
Yeah, that's all I have to do. Just go buy like 4 or 5 sets of them and then just have them setting, you know, pretty much everywhere I keep losing them, keep setting them there. Like, then you ain't got to worry about it as much. And that was brand new, right?
Yep.
Yeah, see how that one works. What kind is it?
Mossberg.
Oh. Touching
That's
my
why
heart
I grabbed
there.
it.
Touching my heart on that one.
Even though it was only $300, I knew it was gonna be reliable.
Oh yeah.
Plus, this is the gun that Army uses.
It's a short barrel for the most. Oh, that's kind of
Nope,
good.
just like this.
No, I meant on mine.
Oh, okay.
Mine's a hunting shotgun. That's more of a tactical, I guess, would be considered.
I almost bought a different one, but it was like $900. I was like, ah. Today I gotta be cheap.
Yeah.
I already spent all my money on a tattoo.
Really?
Yeah.
And is this a showable?
Yeah, it's on my calf.
Okay. Oh, very nice. I'm gonna have to get a picture of that later. So that's pretty nice.
I got some pictures on my phone. I can just send them to you.
Yeah,
Make it a
that'll
little
work.
easier.
That'll work.
Yeah, everything mine's already loaded.
Well, you do not have to wait on me. Oh shit! I think it moved. Now it's recording the ceiling. I'm sorry about that. I'm trying my best. You won't get motion sickness after this.
I bet you we can probably sit something right in there.
Use my foresight. Or yeah, fuck. We need to blow up one of those so we can use a cap. Enough said, huh? Hang on, let me get my ears. Yeah, let me get my ears. Hang on, I got you.
See if this thing's still zeroed.
All right, good to go. Oh, I don't want to connect. Oh, go ahead.
Tried to shoot in half. I guess it wasn't working. I was trying to shoot the string.
I was going to say, are you shooting the cap?
I was trying to shoot the string.
I didn't get the string either.
Hey, I can get the string if you need the string.
I'm just saying, let's clear off that other one real quick, and then we can fucking get the string. And that's a lot harder than you think. Remember the extension cord?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, you could see where I I think hit it, because now the string's pointing this way.
Let's see what we can do.
Oh, that loaded.
Oh, when you put the clip in?
Yeah. Oh, where's my dot at?
Is it a Taurus?
No, it's a Smith & Wesson.
Oh. Still didn't get the string.
Nope. I'm thinking this dot isn't zeroed either. Whoops.
Did you shoot the other one?
Yep.
Did you ever show you that part of it? Where you take a brand new round kind of shit?
Yeah, it's a lot of guns that do that.
I don't understand how, but it stays up. I thoroughly enjoy it.
I bet you it'll happen this time too. Yep.
I got the cap.
No, we need the cap.
Did it blow up? Oh, it's just under the cap. Oh, it's just, I mean, just under the cap.
Oh, I shot this one.
I was shooting this one. I was shooting this one at first, and it was like, okay, cool. And then I shot at that one, and when I hit it. It went poof and spun off. I was like, I got the cap. Oh, fuck. Yeah, now we can fix the camera.
Well, the way it's angling, it looks fine.
I mean, at the moment, yes, I reset it, but I don't know if like when the shot, like the blast gets a little bigger. You know what I mean? Like you shut the shotgun off, you never know. Like it's.
Now it should be fine.
Oh yeah. Let me get in front of it so it doesn't. See. I think I'm shooting high.
Trying to shoot the cap?
No, I was just shooting in general. I think I'm shooting slightly high with that one.
Because you were shooting about the string.
Yeah, I think I've been shooting a little bit high. It shouldn't, but it may be my pull too. I have no clue. Wasn't shooting high.
Said it wasn't?
No, it was hitting pretty much right where you're aiming. Every one of those I aimed at the bottom of the green. The very bottom, I wanted to see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my cues were accurate than my three. And even then. Oh wait, I gotta go in the shed.
For what?
I have a target that I built out of cardboard, layered compressed cardboard. Just kept stomping on it, put another layer in it, stomping on it, do like that. Of all the Amazon packages we get, right?
Yeah.
So I made it to see if I can stop a crossbow. You know, my shit's like 350, you know, something like that. So it's got a, it stopped them. Not only did it stop it, when I pulled my bolt back out of it, it pulled my tip out. So now I'm curious if it stops a bullet.
All we got 9, 5.56, and
Well, I think the shotgun's safe. See?
oh shit.
Oh, I wasn't fucking around. But here was, okay, let me take my earbuds out so I stop yelling. Anyway, here was the point. When I get it, I was like, I missed 3 times during my hunting season with my crossbow. Yeah, they were about 40 yards, but it was still one of those, is it me or is my crossbow just off? You know what I mean? Because I was shooting Luminos, which changed the weight a little bit, and I thought, maybe that changed the shot, you know? So instead, I built a bolt or a target that could stop a bolt, you know, no matter how much I shoot at it, kind of stuff. That's my target. That proved I was back here, kind of stuff. I sat down at a flat angle with my, you know, sight area. Turns out crossbow is remarkably accurate, and I missed every time. So it's
So it was
kind of the good news, bad news, but at the same time, yeah, it's only because when you first pull it, the thing's so hard, and it just fires, and it has a kick on it too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's just that little bit of a waiting and a pause of holding on the deer and trying not to move too much amongst your body, just puts a. I don't know if it actually, you know, shoots accurate at that point. And then yeah, it does.
So there are things you can help with your the weighted trigger pull.
Well, after that, I realized that I can't really use that for my crossbow anymore because I won't end up snapping bolts because it's such a sudden impact and stoppage. So instead, I need to basically get or build a new one, maybe fabric in between layers or G material that's in between layers. So it slows it down, doesn't actually stop. Because I had to shoot it a few times and a tip of one came out the back. You're supposed to have at least, you know, a couple inches come out the back of it, unless it's, you know, styrofoam or something. But yeah, live and learn.
See if this thing's still on. Cause I took.
Yeah, I'll do it twice, I guess. Ready?
Yep.
Take two.
Come on.
Damn, I didn't John Wick it, but you know.
Oh! I had a fucking expended shell in my damn gun.
Ready? It's really hard to aim this way.
Dang, I got one shell left.
There's a whole box.
No, because I loaded 8 and I have one left.
Okay. I was like, wait, there's like 2 boxes on the table. So there's like none that are actually live anymore.
Far left.
Yeah.
Take her out. Alright, never mind. There's none left.
Yeah, there's no left. I thought we were just going down the line.
Oh, no, yeah! Last one.
Well, I got to move the camera stand because that's where, that's the other box, but I got a whole other box there.
Shotgun is fun.
Yes, it is.
I love this shit.
Just for fun, just to shoot shit. Like, let's shoot.
Alright, hold on. I got you.
I mean, if I want to put it out there, I mean, I might as well go all out. So. That was so much cooler in my hand. Why is it not?
Oh man, I don't know how this is gonna work. Kind of Picatinny. Is that no,
I don't know.
Oh, 2 different grips.
Yeah, I know. Let's shoot the target.
Medium and large.
The actual target.
Oh man. I don't know if I can.
Yeah.
The blast from my say just smacked me in the hand. I didn't feel too good.
Well, damn. I was pulling on the safety on this one, trying to get the click. I was like, why is it not going my round? You defy me, fucking target. All right. Let's see if I actually hit anything. I mean, it's not real accurate when you're shooting two guns at the exact same time. Hey, good news. We clipped it a couple times. The bolt ones shot it there. Oh, they skimmed it. Like 3 of them on the outside. Oh yeah, it went right through. Yeah, clean through it. So I take it we still suck at double gun at the same time.
No, absolutely.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do that. That sucks. Waste of ammo.
Better get you kicked off of YouTube.
Well, technically it'd only be my first strike, and I think you get 3. Not that I'm looking forward to any of them. Not any of them, you two. No strikes. It's all for fun. But
it's a binary trigger, I promise.
yes, it's not automatic. It's just a binary trigger. And we'll see how fast we can pull it in a second.
Had to have 2 full mags loaded. Okay,
128.
Oh, we still have a while.
Yeah, well, I kind of was going off the damage in my thumb. You know what I mean? You figure about 35, 40 minutes of constantly putting into 9 shells over and over again. You just get used to that. You know where that level of wear is. You're like, yep, I've been here for about a half hour. Like,
See, that's why I load all of my stuff the night prior.
give your thumb time for the healing. Well, you know, you got the auto
Well, it's not like an auto. It's one of the. It's just like a
assist. Yeah, just pushes it down.
Push it down, put it in. I forgot what those things are called.
Helpful. That's what they are. They're fucking helpful. Right. Oh shit.
What?
Remember why I said I brought
All
the
your hollow
days
points.
to see what they do with the. They blew up all the bottles before we even got to those. But that just goes to show something's priority. You do it first. I mean, worst case scenario, I get to take more Horde today back to the house. Oh darn! Like, you know, they'll be there the next round. This is far from the last time I'll be shooting.
I have. I think I have some. I think I have some rounds in here I can't. Yeah, I have 3 in here that I can't put in my guns anymore because I'd reloaded them too much.
Oh.
Because in this gun, I'd have to unload it and then put it in my glove box every time I'd go in the gym, and it would like push the round in the casing every time.
Oh, so you got little bombs.
Yeah.
I would just toss those. Like, there's no point, you know, risking it on a spicy round.
Yeah. I definitely have shot them before. It wasn't smart, but I definitely shot them before.
I wiped my nose with GSR all over my thumb. Wasn't the smartest. All right, let's see if this works. Well, I know that I put that one on. Come on, you can go with me. Yeah. Much better, much better. Much better. Yeah, that's my tripod. That's what I'm working here. A shooting stick. But it worked though.
He broke his tripod last
Yeah, I
week.
snapped that shit. It was
Nope, it was last month.
it was Easter. So much easier to keep on target. How many did I make?
I don't know.
I mean in the basket.
Oh, none. You kept bouncing off my gun.
I'll say it was right in that area. Oh,
Hey!
come on. Stop it.
Oh, dang, I missed.
And just like that, they're empty again. I wonder why my thumb's so sore.
See, that's why I have 2 guns that take the same mags, and each gun, well, one gun came with 4 mags, and one gun came with 2 mags.
But I'm pretty sure if I buy another 3, I get 2 more. And then another clip inside that one. I don't have to use it, right? Like, just a backup. Kind of sounds fun. Just another excuse to get another gun.
Exactly. And see, that was my excuse today for this one, because I had so much shotgun ammo I couldn't use.
Yeah, see? You're like, why do I have it if I don't, you know? Wait, is this the binary?
Yeah.
All right. I just want to make, so I'm just clarifying before this noise happens. Yeah, that noise. It's just a switch, not auto.
Oh, it didn't rack back. What happened? Oh, shit.
Last one stick?
No, we still got ammo.
Oh.
I thought I was out. Whoop! Away from me.
You stay out there.
That was-
Yeah, you stay out there.
Primer got
You know,
struck.
light strike, or yeah, striker fire. Let's try it again. Yeah, it was just a little bit of a stroke there, not much. All right. Well with it, so I just kind of like record, and then I push stop for a little bit, and then record, and oh, that's better.
Like that, I got that when I still had my fuse.
Yeah, it actually works out really well. It pushes down like much further than my thumb can.
Oh, there it is.
That little learning curve where the thing is still in the way.
Yeah, just push it in.
Whoop, and then about halfway and let it up and then slide it back. That's so much easier.
Here I am with all the fancy toys.
Yeah. All this fancy equipment. Look at one of these.
I need to get one for Glock 17. That's for my Vector. Because this one won't fit on my Glock mags.
Oh. Yeah, that's a
Well, if you want to save that ammo, you got this.
what?
Just a ball 115.
Oh, yeah, they're.
Because this is just range ammo.
Oh, I just opened the other one. Yeah.
Then I have 380 in here for my wife's gun. And these are her self-defense rounds that I got her. These are fucking nasty.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Jeez.
yeah. Those are.
Oh, those are full.
FPJs.
I don't know where the fuck I got those from.
Those are. I don't know if I even shot those yet. You know what I mean? Just in general.
Oh, they're so expensive. Well, the 380, like the ball ammo is not, but that self-defense round is so expensive. It's like $30 for this little thing, 20 rounds.
Yeah. Well, that's what these are. I don't. Oh, I had to peel the sticker off to get the thing open, but yeah, they're like $25, and they're just ballistic tips.
Oh yeah, cause
They're
Oh, yeah, 'cause I use something like that. But I use the Hornady Customs. So, yeah.
Yeah. I say this, when I was doing it on my other one, I was shooting through my
Oh, yeah, these are
G3.
30 bucks.
When I was shooting that one, some of the shorter hollow points were actually getting stuck. They wouldn't load. They'd get slide on the slide. Just the very bottom of it, and it would just catch that little edge of it, jam up.
Yeah.
Found in the ballistic tip, they don't do that at all. Like, they just go down the normal slide like they normally would.
I don't know, I've heard that people have had issues with. Are those the Plus P?
I don't think so. No, they're just 135.
Okay. Yeah, because
Yeah.
I think I got 135s.
Yeah.
No, I got
134.
124.
Flex lock.
I have 124.
Oh. Well, I haven't really shot these ones too much through this one, so I figured I'd, why not, you know? Today's today.
I do need to make sure mine's going to cycle well with my self-defense ammo.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to do now. If you're going to get new ammo, might as well make it work, or at least know that it's going to work in your gun.
Well, it's a new gun, so I got to make sure my old ammo works on my new gun.
Yeah.
Which I have a little bit left. I need to get more.
See, these just feel weird. They don't want to slide down into the clip. Look, I should be able to put another round in. Yeah, you see that? It jams, and then like just all of a sudden, I can put that last round.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's like the tips of them turn or something.
Yeah. See, just like that, I was able to get mine in too, just like that.
Yep. I couldn't get on with this. I was trying to. I would not just go down that one little bit. It was like the angle of it would just fuck it up. Okay. But these ones should be loud, or you know, things like that. Let's turn the camera a bit. Give everybody a motion section again. Yeah, here we go. And we're away from the guns. Rounded.
Safety.
Safety's off. Something's wrong.
Did it? I don't think it racked, did it?
Yep. It did.
Did it strike?
No. It wouldn't let my trigger move. I don't know what happened.
Try it again?
Yeah. Take two. Chambered again. Trigger's fine. Oh, it's a little louder.
Oh, damn it.
I was just going to ask, am I clearing the table?
You almost made one.
I don't think I missed one. That white jug was just fucked up.
You should throw these away.
I would, yeah. Those are just bombs. Just toss them out into the woods line or something. Or here, I'll just throw them in a trash can.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so much easier because.
All right. I have like 5 rounds. See if it cycles. Cycles.
Yeah, like worked. Wow. My earplug came out and I caught it without even paying attention. Just, I'm good. Don't shoot that. Okay, these are okay. But I don't think I want to do another round. I'm going to find another one.
You said what?
I'm going to find a different one.
What, round?
Just for like home defense, for the next step up for what I have now. Because like I said, I got a pretty good home defense ones kind of shit. They're lead core, hollow point, 125, or yeah, I think they're like 125, 127. Like they're that mid-range area kind of shit. They're doing good. But those ones are, you know, they had a good pop to them, but not having it jam or, you know, round like that and just made me uncomfortable with it.
That's why I used the Hornady Custom 124.
Yeah,
They're expensive, but they work. I've never had a jam in them. Need to bulk buy some 12, bulk buy some 5.56. Running out of 9.
Look at it. It's that full. Run out of
Oh yeah, this thing, I've used like half of it already. Woo!
Yeah, that's why I said don't throw it in the woods, because I don't want him to hit it. He does a lot of yard, you know.
Boom!
Yeah, just a kink and then shoot out one kind of made me feel bad. Apparently he's kicking his own ass with trees, so he went over around that tree, mowing, picked up a stick, came out, smacked the tree, bashed him in the face. I was like, why? What the?
It's funny.
One of those I kind of felt for him, you know what I mean? Because he was just out here mowing. Wasn't even doing anything special or acting stupid or anything. Took a stick to the face. Oh, come on, there you go. Ugh, had to squeeze, yeah, had to squeeze it in it. I think my clips are getting warm or something.
Ugh, these mags just need to be cleaned.
Yeah, I was gonna say mine. I'm gonna do a 2.
Dang, I keep dropping them.
We're doing good. Doing real good. And then small one. There's no fucking way. I even turned. Not all of them were doing it, right?
No.
I was like, I even turned to make sure that I wasn't shooting back this way. Oh, I'm just a prick.
37. Woo.
Next time, I'm on the right side.
I don't know if you want that.
I was going for the red cap.
39. Can we get number 40 in here?
Ah! Okay. That's for that. This one. There we go. This one.
Oh, where's my dot at?
I don't even know if you're in frame.
That looks like I am, I think.
I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Hit it. It's all shit like bright.
Got it.
Got the cap.
Any other caps?
There's a green one on every single one of them except for that blue one. All around it. It's awesome. I said frustration has set in.
How much I got left?
Like 13.
10.
You weren't joking on that one. I'm getting me one of these.
My mag's too tall.
Move things. Double it up. Yeah, I was gonna say double it up. You'll be all right.
Oh, fuck that cap.
Got that one. Oh, going for a string, are we? Oh, so close.
You tapped it at that second to last one.
I made it dance. Like, that's all you can really do, I guess. Let's see what we can do. Well, it's frayed. I mean, you can clearly see that we hit it a couple times. I hit that one a few times. You mangled this one. That's the one that I laughed. I had to get the camera on. Made the whole bottle jump. We'll just leave this one alone because yeah. That's the lovely cap that you were aiming at. That's gone. That's the one you couldn't hit.
Oh my!
So many times, real close. You can see the holes where you were making it dance, and it was just hanging right there. From the angle you're at, you can see it's.
Second shot, I took that one off.
Yeah.
I couldn't fucking hit that one.
Oh, we're pissing wasp off. That's good.
Hell yeah.
Go back up to the thing. So, anyway, I gotta. Yeah, close enough. Okay. This is empty. I'm gonna go set this up there, and I gotta see if I can shoot the pellet gun correctly. Don't shoot my dove box.
I'm not.
Fuck him up.
I lost my dot on that one.
Oh. Is it grip sensitive?
What do you mean?
The red dot. Is it motion sensitive or is it?
Oh yeah, it's shake awake.
Oh, okay.
I just still getting used to it, so I completely missed it.
Ah.
I got when I lost it again. I'm used to iron.
That looked like a blind shot. What are you talking about? It is
Hitting low.
nice. It is remarkably comfortable shooting kind of shit. That is.
You're hitting brown box.
It was one of those counterbalance in the front of it was very nice. I don't know if the flashlight helping that. Yeah, look. All mine, all yours.
Guess I'm shooting low. And it needs to be zeroed anyways.
All right, it's been a hell of an experience today shooting things, and well, as you can see, things have been mangled a bit today. So job well done, and catch you next time. Subscribe.